So the first thing that you must have in your makeup kit is a thin tipped eyebrow pencil, because eyebrows really shape the face, and a thin tip is the most beginner friendly because it's very, very easy to use. You honestly can make no mistakes. And the fact that it truly creates hair like strokes is super, super natural. Look at that. So the next one would be a good color corrector. If you have some dark pigmentation, dark circles, anything of that sort. But if you don't, you can totally skip this step. A good skin tint, because it's going to be so much more beginner friendly as compared to a foundation. And this is something that you can wear on every single day, on every occasion, to basically just even out your skin tone. And you are going to be able to nail this look every single time. For a concealer, I would highly recommend you to get a full coverage concealer because you can do so much more with it. Full coverage concealer can really work like a foundation as well for you on special occasions, and that would be so much easier for you to manage instead of buying multiple products. Any blemishes that you have, a full coverage concealer will always be a BFF, because that is going to really help erase all of those. Look at that flawless base. You haven't used a lot of product. It does not look cakey. Look at how skin-like it looks. And I really think something like this can be worn every single day, whether you're in college, whether you're working. This is just going to be your best makeup look ever and always. The next product that you must have in your makeup kit would be a good loose powder, because you really need to set all the creams that you've been using. Look at how gorgeous this side looks versus this. The setting it with a loose powder would ensure longevity, not creasing, and this is like the key to a good long lasting makeup look. You only really need a very tiny amount of the powder just to lock everything in, and look at that. Now, blushed cheeks go a really long way, so we gotta have a good cream blush. You know why? Again, super, super beginner friendly. Really make sure that you look very, very natural. You see that? Just brings life back to your face. Now comes some definition for your eyes, and therefore we are going to use a good volumizing mascara, especially for somebody who has very small, super flat, and very thin lashes. You gotta have a good mascara in your makeup kit, because that can truly change the game for you. Just one coat and look at that difference. Some definition on the eyes can really lift up your makeup look. And the last and my most favorite product that you must have in your makeup kit are these Staze 3-in-1 lipsticks. These are the 5 shades that they have. These are so hydrating. They're transfer proof. They do not budge. They're so nourishing because they're enriched with avocado oil. I just have so many good things to say about them. They have a 12-hour stay. The shades are dupes of many high-end viral lipsticks, and on top of that you get 3 lipstick shades in one bullet lipstick. So without further ado, let's quickly swatch all of these and see which one you like the most. The first shade that we have is called Brick Pink. So this is what the component looks like. Isn't that such a cute ombre packaging? And then when you open it, you have a triangular shaped lipstick which has 2 different shades on both the ends, and when you apply from the center you get a mixed shade, which is a 3rd shade. I think this concept is so cool. You do not have to, as a beginner, you always want products that you can kind of multi-use, and getting 3 shades in one bullet is just incredible. So these are the 3 shades that you get. In the shade number 1, which is Brick Pink, you get like a beautiful pinky shade, a brick-like shade, and then the perfect mixture of the both. So this is the first shade. So this one is the second shade. In the first shade of lipstick, this is like a brick brown color, reddish brown. It's beautiful. I think it looks so nice with all our Indian outfits during this wedding season. It's such a beautiful shade. I love it. So this one is the 3rd shade, and I think I love this one the most out of the shade number 1, which is the Brick Pink. I love this shade the most. I think this one is like the perfect balance of pink and reddish brown. It's just so beautiful. So these amazing lipsticks offer you so many shades ranging from nudes to pinks to reds to brick reds to dark browns. I think to mauves, and I think it is such a game changer for the beauty industry. You do not have to have so many shades to actually have like a range of shades available in your makeup kit. And that is the reason I absolutely love this lipstick. The formula is top notch and you get it for such a great price point. I think you really must give this one a try. I think you'll absolutely love it. So the lipstick is transfer proof. You just gotta let it dry for about 90 seconds and then it can last for up to 12 hours. It is not going anywhere and you don't have to worry about retouching it over and over again. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and you have a lot more clarity on how you can build a beginner makeup kit with a minimum number of products, because honestly, you don't really need as much as the internet makes us believe. And especially considering these lipsticks that we have now in the Indian market, it is going to be so much better. All right, so I will see you guys in my next one, and until then, XOXO.